Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're uncovering the legendary Beggar's chicken, a dish wrapped in history and flavor, known for its unique preparation and tender, aromatic meat. Origin story. Beggar's chicken, or jiaohuaji, has a fascinating origin story that dates back to the Qing dynasty. According to legend, a beggar in Jiangsu province stole a chicken and, lacking proper cooking tools, wrapped it in clay and buried it in a fire. When he later cracked open the clay, he discovered that the chicken was incredibly tender and infused with a rich, smoky flavor. The dish was so delicious that it eventually made its way to the imperial courts, where it became a delicacy. The method of cooking chicken in clay to seal in the juices and aromas is what gives Beggar's origin story. Chicken, its unique texture and taste. Ingredients list. For the recipe, you will need whole chicken, 1, about 1.5 to 2 kilograms, cleaned and gutted, Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoons, soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons, 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon, ginger, minced, 2 tablespoons, garlic, minced, 3 cloves, scallions, 3, cut into sections, lotus leaves, 2 to 3, optional, clay or dough, enough to completely encase the chicken, salt and pepper to taste. Recipe, marination. Marinate the whole chicken in a mixture of Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, 5 spice powder, minced ginger, and garlic. Rub the marinade both inside and outside the chicken, ensuring it is fully coated. Let the chicken marinate for at least 4 hours, or overnight, in the refrigerator to absorb the flavors. Recipe, wrapping. If using lotus leaves, soak them in warm water until soft, then wrap the marinated chicken in the leaves. If lotus leaves are not available, you can skip this step. Next, encase the wrapped chicken completely in clay or a dough made from flour and water. The clay or dough should be thick enough to seal in the moisture and create a solid barrier. Recipe, baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Place the clay-wrapped chicken on a baking tray and bake for 2.5 to 3 hours. The long baking time allows the chicken to cook slowly and evenly, making it incredibly tender and flavorful. Recipe, unwrapping and serving. After baking, remove the chicken from the oven and let it cool slightly. Use a mallet or hammer to carefully crack open the clay or dough shell. Inside, you'll find a beautifully cooked, aromatic chicken. Transfer the chicken to a serving plate and slice it into pieces. Serving suggestion. Serve Beggar's chicken with steamed rice and a side of sautéed greens to complement the rich, savory flavors of the dish. It is traditionally enjoyed at special occasions or festive gatherings. Fun fact. The legend of Beggar's chicken highlights the ingenuity of using simple, natural ingredients and methods to create a dish fit for royalty. Today, it is still a celebrated dish in Chinese cuisine, particularly in the Jiangsu and Zhejiang provinces.